Okay. So, tomorrow I'm gonna be actually live trading, hopefully, because, flipping, whatchamacallit, I have a meeting in the morning though, because I don't have school, but I have a meeting in the morning, but I want to get into some back testing today, see what's up, and you go from there. I don't know what the fudge I was doing with this. I don't know why I didn't chart this zone properly. Um, so let me quickly fix that. Oh my God, where did I put this zone? Bro, where is this zone? Yo. Yo, where is this zone from? What planet? Oh my God, what is wrong with me? I'm just gonna delete it, bro. Let's go to like here. Alright. Alright, beautiful. I think the way I did it was like this. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Alright, so we'll start with IWM, I guess. Look for any setups today. Alright, so let's go to replay. A little bit back. Obviously, we're looking for some sort of move off the pre-market, so we'll just quickly put in our pre-market levels. We had news at 8:30 this morning, like CPI. So it wasn't a beautiful day. Okay. So straight off the bat, okay, I want to point this out. I don't usually take trades like this, although I think this would have been a good trade because for number one, it's straight off of the open. Second of all, I don't have like a reaction. Like this is an indecision candle, but this is actually a really questionable candle. I don't think I would take this most of the time. Um, we do get a break above and then into this, so I think I would take this since we break above a zone and we'd retest the 48 and the 13 EMA on this candle. I would definitely go long here. I know it sounds like I'm just saying that out of hindsight, but I have no idea if this would even work out. So obviously we're going to scale up the highs, right? Scale up the high here. It says stop loss at break even. See what happens. Okay, get stopped out there. Fair enough. That's a fair trade. Okay, it looks like the rest of the day is legit just chop, so I'm going to save us both the time since I'm not really going to trade that anyway. Okay, but maybe like one good trade, maybe two good trades today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chart these out on here, but I'm also going to transfer these charts to Webull. But just to show you guys, I'm going to chart this out over here. And the reasoning is because tomorrow I'm trading, like I said. So I want to actually have these charts. I want to have access to them on Webull. So yeah, I will just put these levels like this. Move these out here just in case I want to replay tomorrow. Alright, go to QQQ. Alright, these levels look pretty accurate, so let's go ahead. Let's take a look. So we stay low. I mean, a pre-market high, pre-market low. It's about right. Let's replay. Okay, I'm looking for a break. So it looks like we're gonna open under this zone in the middle of it. So I want to see a break over below the zone. I don't see anything yet. Okay. So you get that. Maybe a break over this 200 EMA and a retest. So this is a good question. Would I take a trade like this? From what I'm looking like, it looks like I should not take trades like this. I don't think I'd be comfortable taking a trade like this either. Because I'm just looking at the 5 minute. Um, yeah, even that. Built the whole 3 EMA. Well, I'm seeing a lot of movement here. Maybe if we break above this, I get some sort of move. I think that's what we'll wait for. Break above this. Okay, nice. Break above this. I want to see more of a 13 EMA retest. Let me see if we get it. Okay, we get this. So I've mentioned in the past that I will take these, like engulfing candles off the 13 EMA. So I'm going to take this. Boom. We'll target the upper zone, or pre-market high at least. We'll see how this plays. Okay. We get stopped out there. We already did scale up the highs already. So, by scale up the highs, I mean we're going to scale above this high. And stop loss to break even or something. So, we would have got stopped out there. That's fine. Obviously, that trade played out pretty well. If you held, but let's see. Alright, we got knifed. Okay, the rest of the day is pretty choppy. So I'm going to save us the time since it's chop, and I'm not going to look at that. So we'll just chart out tomorrow's thing basically. I'm not going to count this massive goofy looking candle. Um, what I'll count is this. And then I'll move this, obviously. I don't know where this zone is from, so I will just make it make sense. There we go. That looks about right. And then just move this over here. Okay, cool. Let's move on to SPY, my favorite. I love SPY. Alright, these zones look pretty accurate. This price action looks like dog water though, so let's see. Obviously, we're gonna want to mark the pre-market lows and highs first. Somewhere around there. Pre-market lows about here. So let's see if we get a break or something. Looks like today's a pretty choppy day, so I'll wait for a 200 EMA break. Nope. Nothing yet. Maybe if we get some sort of break above this trend line down. Get a break. I want to see a retest now. You see a retest. Now, normally I would not take this play. Let me actually see what it looks like on this 5 minute. So let's see. Right here. Looks like we're going to get clapped up on it. So let me see how it would have played out. This is why I don't take trades that I'm not used to taking. Do not, tomorrow I'm not taking any of these garbage booty setups, bro. I'm taking only the setups I know. If I see a setup, I'm taking it. If I don't see it, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking anything out of the ordinary. I'm not taking anything suspicious. Alright. There you go, above the pre-market. Oh my god. So I would legit take this trade 99 out of 100 times. But I guess it loses in this situation. I would take this trade, but at the same time, it's also 12 o'clock. So I probably will not. We do just chop around for the rest of the day. Alright, so for some things I want to remember for tomorrow, just while I'm going to go over this, I only want to trade for the first 2 hours of the market. So like up to 11:30 at the latest. After that, there's no point. That's just me asking to lose money, basically. So I'm not even going to like try and look at the market at that point, right? Then, yeah, honestly from there, just don't act stupid. They only take setups I know. But here, actually, I'll show you guys a couple things, okay? So, okay, so that's for my journal today, basically option selling. I'm gonna get put out of a firm because I'm gonna get like assigned the $41 calls, right? So $41 cover call is gonna execute, right? So I'm probably gonna move all that money into just like Tesla, so TSLY, for the dividend and yeah, for the dividend stock, right? And if I get a chance to do a big brain move on a firm else, what I mean by that is like if it stops and like the call is like a little bit like it's basically the call goes like worthless or very close to worthless or break even, I'm gonna sell the call, but then I'm also gonna sell the contract as well. Um, so I'm gonna sell the call, and when I sell the call, I'm gonna hope the firm goes up a little bit and then make like an extra 200 bucks on it, and then that'll be a pretty W thing. So yeah. And as for the relationships, today I went to the gym early because of the PSAT, so I really only talked to twins, talked to mom and dad a little bit too, but I did talk to Tomato a lot at a club meeting in the past, more than in the past. So it was positive there, I guess. It wasn't like crazy, crazy, but just like eye contact, things like that. But I did get another meeting with her. I'm gonna see her again basically tomorrow because we have another club meeting. So yeah, but yeah, honestly, I'll give you more updates on later. But CPI is a very bad day to trade. There is not that many good setups, right? And since I am trading tomorrow, since I don't have school tomorrow, right? The one thing I'm not gonna do is take setups I'm confused. I'm not gonna take a setup tomorrow that's gonna be like, I don't really know about this. If I don't see my setup, I'm not taking it, right? So I do have a meeting at 10 a.m. So hopefully it doesn't screw me over. I'm trying to reschedule it for earlier with Vince. Yeah. I want to trade for 11:30, and I'm only gonna take engulfing candles on the pullback 13 EMA retest, like my standard setup. Okay. So for business, I have a lot of stuff. I did some cold calling during school because it's just like my schedule was like a bit messed up. And I met a marketing agency owner, and this is the advice he gave me. He said try untapped niches. He gave me deck builders, but he said try untapped niches. So I went on ChatGPT, looked up some untapped niches. I actually got like a list of 8 of them, so I'm gonna try those. But you need to get better quality leads by making them actually type out the phone number on instant forms. And my ad got rejected when I did this. I don't know why, but I'm gonna submit again. Hopefully it works. So he also said call out the area and run different ad sets to target like these cities, like target Akron with a city, Strongsville with a city, Brunswick with a city, and like each ad set will target just that city and like hey Brunswick city owners, right? And he's bought. His name is Nathan. Hopefully he's gonna be a mentor. He's from Oregon, but hopefully, yeah. I also, yeah, like I said, I got a meeting with Vince and Ray tomorrow for 10 a.m. So there's LED lighting IQ guys, but I'm gonna try and move earlier so I can trade properly sometime around like maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I uploaded the first YouTube short today. It's on a channel called The Gym Fix, so it's gonna be like a gym news type of thing, like Greg Doucette almost. But yeah, I'm gonna check out Snapchat shows. 'Cause I think it's a better opportunity. So the Forex spot that I got a while ago, It got a new update for its settings for trading. So hopefully it's actually going to trade now. I'm going to turn it on tomorrow after the PPI data in the morning. So hopefully it actually works. But let's go. All right, my goal with this is to help someone out, someone close to me. So hopefully it works. I'm able to get the profit split and I can actually help them out and, help because they're in a bad spot right now. So I want to help them out. But Ellie also said another guy wants to run a webinar. So he's going to pay me and like to run basically help that. It's just going to be like, it's a big W. It's just more money for me. So for school, PSATs today, didn't prepare for that much. Probably should have prepared a little more. Grammar really screwed me over. But I think I got two or three wrong, so I probably didn't get the scholarship because you have to get like a perfect for that. But I did get a little cocky on the second math section. I was like, yeah, it's too easy. I was just playing around with the Desmos calculator. I did the same thing last time, so I messed it up. I had to like rush through the last questions and it sucked. But yeah, after that, it ended pretty early. I had to come back to school for chamber strings at like 2:30 because I already left at 11 for the testing and go to the gym. I saw Tomato at the chamber strings. Probably shouldn't even leak that. Oops. Or just, yeah, whatever. I don't care. I talk a little bit on ton. But I got another tomato meeting tomorrow for a club as well, so it's chill. For the gym, I hit push today, like I said. I progressed on everything. I felt pretty good. I'm gonna move up in lateral raise weights next time, but my shoulder feels a little bit scuffed. I'm gonna actually hit a quick plyometric workout right after this thing I'm recording right now. But I didn't talk to many people besides the twins at the gym today. It was pretty chill. But yeah, I also started hitting obliques. So it's like someone told me like, those people who are like, I don't want to train in the gym because I'm gonna get too bulky, right? I don't want to do that either. Like that doesn't make sense when you talk about obliques. Like my obliques are not gonna become too big. I also thought about Tomato while I was hitting a set, right? I thought about her, and I got kind of sad because listening to like a depressing song, and then like I just pulled out 2 reps out of nowhere. Like that's like my pre-workout. So now I get like the I miss her pre-workout. Like bro, it's insane. Like I didn't even feel it. I was just like focusing on her, and then focusing on this, and then boom, it just like came out. And I was like, no way, this is crazy. As for my thoughts and mental state, there's one other thing I want to add to this real quick, so I'll add it after the end. So I kind of fell asleep like after school because I didn't sleep enough, but I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't do my plyometrics today. I think there's a lot more I could be doing. I also feel kind of scared like all my clients are going to disappear and go away. So that's why trading is really like the best thing I could do, right? Like by far, it's my passion. I actually have a passion for trading, bro. I love trading. It's so fun because it's purely skill. It's fun. It's purely skill. It's no luck. The other thing is I'm very proud of my dad, um, because he's starting to get, oh yeah, starting to get addicted to working out and weight training. So yeah, he was excited. He's like, dude, I can. He like tried push-ups in like his hotel room. He went out of town, so he like tried push-ups in his hotel room, and he's telling me about it. I was like, wow, oh my God. He's actually like, he used to hate push-ups, so um, I'm gonna say start liking push-ups when before he hated them and always thought he could never get them and had a bad mindset. But now he believes. Yeah, but that's basically it, guys. Um, yeah, see you. Bye.